Just do a product review. So my bestie pool, Stephlyn, she got me a crimper for Christmas. Girl, I was talking about wanting a crimper, and she said, girl, them curls are so ugly. And I was like, ooh, but I think they're cute. So my sis surprised me and got me a crimper for Christmas. And I was like, my sis. So I'm gonna do a review on the product today. I have used Hot Tools by them before. This is actually Gold Hot. So this is a 2-inch professional ceramic crimping iron. It's the #1 selling in beauty appliance brand for extra curly hair. So that's the little look I'm going for. I want like a little Spanish mommy wave. I got my hairstyle in a half up, half down. I kind of feel like I'm gonna love this product only because my flat iron is by them. What else? I feel like my blow dryer. I have an overhead dryer because they used to go by Hot Tools. I know that for a fact, and I have a overhead dryer by them as well. So this is something to add to my hair tools, and I'm excited to use it. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go start my makeup, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna style my hair, and we're gonna see how this bad boy works. Okay guys, so I am back. I just pressed my hair out a little bit. I did my makeup. I just pressed my hair out a bit just so I could have like everything maintained and sleek the way I wanted it to be. I didn't do too much. So I have on a simple bodysuit, guys. I got it from Mystique in Soho. If you're from New York, then you know what's good. Yeah, Mystique is where it's at. So let me show you guys a little bit how it looks. It's a little bodysuit, little off the shoulder thing. It's cute. And I'm gonna wear my little bubble jacket with it and my furry Uggs. And yeah, that's my look on the clothes. Does that mean set my camera back up? Okay, so guys, I had the crimper plugged up, getting hot while I was doing my makeup and pressing the rest of my hair out. I didn't even use it yet, but just feeling it like this, it's freaking hot AF. Like, it's burning up. Like, Gold Hot, well, it's Gold in Hot. That's how you say it, Gold in Hot. Golden Hot is it. Like, this is like one of the top beauty supply store hot tools that I use. Like, it's so fire. It goes up to 450 degrees. So you have your settings this way. Your on and off switches right there. I should have read the directions to see if it turns off by itself, like if it has like a set timer, because my flat iron by Golden Hot definitely has that. And that's a plus for me, because like if you're forgetful like I am and you forget to turn your hot tools off, it turns off for you. So I'm gonna get into my little crimping session, excuse me. So I have never crimped before a day in my life. I'm a newbie. So last night I knew I wanted to try out the crimper. So I seen some girls using their Got2b spray on, like, you know, they'll part it and spray it on there, comb it through, then crimp it. So I'ma just try it out. I like this so far. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order me some new bundles, and I'm gonna get some like extremely long, maybe 30, probably. So I did notice last night that there's different type of crimpers. There's some that give you this pattern, and then there's some that gives you more of like a body wave pattern. I like this. This is giving me like the Beyonce effect, I feel like. Ooh. So you guys see how I'm pressing it closed? You're supposed to like press the little clamps on the side to help you lock it in. I'm here for this. This is actually cool. Girl, so I'm not too mad. Like, do you see that? That is so cute. And it looks so natural because my unit now is not that long. It's like 20 inches, I feel like. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, y'all, so I just finished the bottom part. And I like it. I think it's mad cute. So now I'm moving up to the top. I'm going for a Beyonce inspired look, so I think I'm gonna have it to the side the way B did. This is so fire. Like, I'm really glad it gave me like a nice black girl vibe. Like, I love it. This is the best gift I ever got. Oh my god, like, I'm really hyped right now. And when I mean this, like, this is really worth it. And for some reason, I feel like it would give me a different, well, the same effect, but this effect on longer hair, oh my god. Fire. This is like really, oh my god, and it's so hot. This is amazing. I would say I rate this, I'm gonna give it a 10. Like, do you see that? Do you see that? I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. This is really a 10 out of 10. Look at that. Fire. That's fire AF. Is you shitting me? Oh my god. Okay, y'all, so I normally add like an extension of bundle hair into my top ponytails, but lately I haven't been doing it. It's really so fire. It's different. I love it. I'm just trying to find a way to position it at the top. So I don't want to comb too much out of it because I'm going to mess that one up. Oh, there we go. There was a good angle. Yeah, y'all know I get gas when I love my... I knew I wanted the crimpiana. My sister Stephanie knew I wanted the crimpiana. Hold on.